In the cosmopolitan city of Harmony Haven, where cultures intertwined seamlessly, two friends, Taylor and Jordan, embarked on a heartfelt conversation about the intricacies of diverse relationships.
Jordan, amidst the cultural tapestry of Harmony Haven, relationships seem to take on unique colors. Don't you think embracing diversity adds depth to our connections?
Absolutely, Taylor. In this city, each relationship is like a beautifully woven fabric, with threads of different hues coming together to create something truly special.
Their dialogue unfolded in Harmony Park, a place that symbolized the city's commitment to unity in diversity.
Jordan, let's explore the essence of diverse relationships. In your opinion, what's the most enriching aspect of navigating connections with people from different backgrounds? A. Learning and growing through exposure to different perspectives. B. Celebrating the uniqueness of each individual in the relationship. C. Building bridges between cultures and fostering mutual understanding.
I'd choose A. Learning and growing through exposure to different perspectives. It's the diversity in thought that opens our minds to new ideas and ways of seeing the world.
Well said, Jordan. In a city that thrives on diversity, relationships become a journey of continuous discovery.
As they strolled through Harmony Haven, they encountered couples celebrating various cultural festivals, families blending traditions, and friends exchanging stories that spanned continents.
Taylor, how do you think the diverse fabric of relationships influences the broader community in a city like Harmony Haven?
Diverse relationships create a ripple effect of acceptance and understanding. When individuals from different backgrounds form strong connections, it fosters a sense of unity and harmony that extends to the entire community.
Their conversation painted a vivid picture of relationships in Harmony Haven, weaving in key terms that colored the narrative.
Harmony Haven, a city that embraces and celebrates cultural diversity. Harmony Park, a symbolic space representing unity and connection. Unity in diversity. The concept of different elements coming together to create a harmonious whole.
Cultural festivals, events that showcase and celebrate the traditions of various cultures. Ripple effect, the spreading impact of positive actions and connections in a community.
As the stars emerged in the evening sky, casting a gentle glow on Harmony Haven, Taylor and Jordan felt a deep appreciation for the richness that diverse relationships brought to their lives. In this city where every connection was a celebration of differences, they cherished the harmony born from understanding, acceptance, and shared experiences.
Next story. Journey through married life. In the quiet neighborhood of Evergreen Haven, where time seemed to slow down, lived a couple, Sarah and James, whose love story had weathered the seasons of life for over 3 decades. Their home, surrounded by a garden that bore witness to countless memories, was a sanctuary where the echoes of laughter and shared dreams lingered. Sarah, with strands of silver gracefully woven into her auburn hair, sat on the porch swing, sipping tea as James, his once dark hair now adorned with streaks of gray, joined her. The familiarity in their gestures spoke of a bond that had stood resilient against the tests of time.
James, Sarah said, her eyes crinkling at the corners, do you ever marvel at how our love has evolved over the years?
James nodded, a soft smile playing on his lips. It's like a fine wine, isn't it? Growing richer and more nuanced with each passing year.
Their conversation meandered through the decades, from the exhilarating days of youth to the serene moments of companionship in later years. As they reminisced, Sarah posed a question that invited reflection.
James, if you had to choose a metaphor for our marriage, what would it be? A resilient oak tree, standing tall through storms. B. A meandering river, flowing steadily and eternally. C. A blooming garden, ever-changing and full of life.
After a moment of contemplation, James chose A, a resilient oak tree, standing tall through storms. Our love has weathered challenges, its roots running deep, providing strength and stability.
Sarah nodded in agreement. Yes, an oak tree. Our shelter in the storms of life.
Their journey through married life had been a tapestry woven with threads of compromise, shared dreams, and unwavering support. They had navigated the peaks of joy and the valleys of sorrow, finding solace in the constancy of each other's presence. As the evening sun bathed Evergreen Haven in a warm glow, Sarah and James strolled through their garden, a living testament to the passage of time.
Resilient, able to withstand or recover from difficult conditions. Nuanced, characterized by subtle and precise details.
Metaphor. A figure of speech in which a word or phrase is applied to something to which it is not literally applicable. Tapestry. A complex combination of elements or sequence of events. Solace. Comfort or consolation in a time of distress or sadness.
In the embrace of Evergreen Haven, Sarah and James found contentment in the simplicity of shared moments. Their love story, like a well-tended garden, continued to bloom, each year adding a new layer of beauty to the narrative they had built together.